Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome friends to the second tutorial in which we are gonna learn something. Okay, let's start with this tutorial. So basically, first of all, we are gonna learn how to create a basic page of HTML page. Okay, so how to do that? Open your editor, HTML editor, if you have one, or if you are using on internet, it doesn't matter, you don't have to do this, but it's really important. Actually, the idea on internet is for those who want to learn temporary and they are not willing to create a website right now. Just learn temporarily. Okay, and that idea sucks because lots of experiments we are gonna do, you won't be able to see them or use them in here in online editor. So please do this one. I mean, download Notepad or some other editor which works for you. Okay, after opening your Notepad, you need to go to File, Save As, select the location. I prefer desktop, and name it YouTube, actually HTML and CSS .html. okay, when this is name and this is what tells what type of document I am creating. I am creating an HTML document, hypertext markup language document, means a web page document. When I save this, as you can see, this will appear in a web page like icon, and it works good. So let's start with it. First of all, what you need to see, you need to do is create a tag of doc type HTML. Okay, what is a tag? Tag is, you can say something. For example, tag can be a thing, a function which lets you bold your text. A tag can be function which lets you, for example, I go to Google. As you can see, there is Google in here. They use the title tag to put Google in here. Okay, so tag is something or some function which in some function or something or some function which gives you, which is present in HTML language. And the HTML language is all about tags. Let me show you now. Okay, we have a tag which says, oh sorry, you need to put an exclamation or whatever mark it is called. Oh, now it is good. Okay, how do we know what is tag? There is open and close, what you greater than, this is greater than or lower, less than, I don't know, less than or greater than signs. Okay, again, now here starts our work. HTML, as you can see, HTML, what does it do? HTML, this is a tag which, because it contains open and greater and less than signs, and HTML, it tells that my web page, my website starts from here to here. This is end. For example, you have a house or you have a room, then there is something that tells this is the end and this is the start. For example, the room, the start of room is from the door, and the end of the room is toward until actually the wall. Okay, so is what I'm telling I'm telling you actually what does it say. It means when there is end and open and end tags, what does it mean? It means anything in this browser which you can see from here to here plus this one, any functions, any texts, any images will go in here. Okay, I hope that will answer your question. If not, I'll just ask me in the comment box below. So the second thing we need to do is put a head tag, end of head tag, okay, and a body tag. I'm gonna explain it right now to you. End of body tag. So what is head tag? Head tag basically are things which we can't see on this area, on here, in this web page area. Okay, we can see it in here. Okay, this title tag has been used in head tag, okay, or head area. And body area, what is body area? Body area is something which we see. This is what we see, the functions behind it, the CSS behind it, the things behind it may contain in here, or in HTML head section, or may contain in body section. CSS may contain in head section, or may contain in body section, or may contain in other separate file. It doesn't matter, it can contain anywhere. HTML is like that, it's a cat which runs anywhere. Okay, so basic thing I'm gonna do in here is give you a simple thing, a gift title. I'm gonna give you a title, okay, and let me write here notes and soft. If you remember, then these videos are represented or presented by whatever. I am not big thing in this, by notes and soft. Okay, all you need to do is now save the document and just reload which you opened. Now as you can see, this has been changed to note and soft because I have given it a title of notes and soft. So every tag has its own function, its own work. Okay, every tag and tag have names: title tag, body tag, HTML tag, top type tag, and you need to remember them. They are not like no need to remember. If I know that it's body, and if I tell you put a heading, you will basically type heading. No, that's incorrect. They are they have names, and you should remember them by names. Okay, they have functions, you should remember them by functions too. Thank you very much for watching, and this was second tutorial on HTML and CSS. Why I do that? Okay, whatever series. Okay. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, then you can put it in the comment box below, and please visit, like, subscribe and comment. What do I mean by visit? Visit to my blog here. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.